So in the previous video, so we have studied how to make less than cumulative series and how to make more than cumulative series and the relative frequency distribution. So this is the formula. So in this video, so we are going to study cumulative frequency curves, or that is also called as ogive curves, that is OGIVES, ogive curves. So ogive is a smooth graph with cumulative frequency plotted against variable values. There are two types of ogives: less than ogives, that is less than cumulative frequency curve, and more than ogives. So that is also called as more than cumulative frequency curves. So here we have a definition of less than ogives. So here the variable is taken along the x-axis and less than cumulative frequency is taken along the y-axis. The less than cumulative class frequencies are plotted against the respective upper class limits, and if you join these points by a smooth curve, then resulting graph is a less than ogive here, or cumulative frequency curve. So here we have a definition of more than ogive. Here the variable is taken along the x-axis, more than cumulative frequency is taken along the y-axis. More than cumulative class frequency are plotted against the respective lower class limits. So join this point by a smooth curve, then resulting graph is more than ogive. So usually the two types are drawn together with common axis and the point of intersection of the two ogives corresponding to the medium of the distribution. So ogives, here we have a note. Ogives are used to locate the partition of values, that is median and quartiles. So here we have an example. The following is the distribution of IQ of 75 children. Draw the ogives of the data and find the median. So we have to draw the less than ogive as well as more than ogive. With that we have to find what is the median also. This is the IQ of the students they have given. So the class intervals, and these are the number of children. So for this example, so the less than ogives is obtained by plotting the less than cumulative frequency against the upper class limits, and more than ogive is obtained by plotting more than cumulative frequency against the lower class limits. So this is the IQ they have given. These are the IQs, that is the class intervals, and this is the given frequency in the example. So here you have to first create less than series and then more than series, which I have shown in the previous video. So you are going to get these answers. So after this, so ogives of the distribution of IQ of children, so we are plotting in a graph here. So here along your x-axis you have to take the IQ, along your y-axis you have to take the frequency. So you will get the graph like this. Now I am going to draw and show this graph here. So here we have IQ, which is taken along the x-axis, and the frequency, which is taken along the y-axis. So here first we are going to draw the less than ogive here. So here we have an example. So for the less than ogive, so the number of students who have taken the marks less than 70 is given by 2. So 2 will come. Less than 70 means here. So less than 70, you can see here the number of students who have taken less than 70 marks is 2. So less than 70 will be 2 members. So here we have 70 and only 2 students have taken the marks less than 2. So I am just plotting the rough sketch here. And less than 80 will be 10 students. Less than 80 will be 10 students. So you'll get here. And less than 90 is 25 students. Less than 90 will be 25. 25 will come somewhere here. And then less than 100 is 51 students. So less than 100 will be 51. 51 will come somewhere here. Here we have 51. And then less than 100 is 51. And then less than 110 is 68 members. 68 members is below 70. Let me say here below 70. And less than 120 is 73 students. Less than 120 is 73. So above this 70. And then less than 130 is 74 students. less than 130 is 74 students, 74 some will come somewhere here, and then less than 140 is 75 students, less than 140 is 75 in between these two, 75. So here let us join this curve here. So this is the less than ogive curve. This is less than ogive. So now let us draw the more than ogive curve. So more than 60 is, you can see here, more than 60 is 75 students, more than 70 is 73 students, more than 60 is 75 students. So more than 60 will come here and the 75 students, and more than 70 is 73 students, more than 70 is 73 will come somewhere here, and then more than 80 is 65 students, more than 80 is 65 will come here, 65 in between these two, 65, and more than 90 is 50 students, more than 90 is 50 students, here you can see 50 students, and more than 100 is 24 students, and then more than 110 is 7 students, 7 means it will come below the 10, 7 students, and more than 120 is only 2 people, and then more than 130 is only 1 student. So now let us join all these points. So this will give more than ogive curve, more than ogive curve. So this is the graph we have got. So this is the graph for this example. So we have got the same graph here, you can see here. This is how you have to plot the less than ogive and more than ogive curves here.